G'day, it's Edan from Delta Equipment, and today we're going to take a look at Slanetrac's SA1000 hedge trimming setup for tractors, 80 horsepower and plus, and skid steers. We've got a 1.8 metre cutter bar as standard, which can also be optioned as a multi-saw or shorter sickle bars as well. We've got side shift here built into the frame, which allows you to travel 1 metre out to the side of the machine, which we'll demonstrate later. We've got a hydraulic ram built onto this arm, which enables you to tilt your cutting head up to 110 degrees, so you can cut along the top of hedges and reposition the bar to cut straight along the sides. So the cutting head on this is the Slanetrac HC180, which is a very simple sickle bar style cutter. It's got a set of individual reciprocating blades, guiding fingers to bring foliage into your cutting area, and a simple motor here with a spring arm which turns and creates a reciprocating motion along the bar. Each tooth is individually replaceable, only 2 bolts hold it on, so if you snap a tooth, easy to fix it. Same with the fingers. And this cutter bar will cut up to about 40mm thick vegetation, so just about anything that will fit between the 2 fingers. To run this cutter bar, you require at least 60 litres of oil flow a minute, which tractors above 80 horsepower should be able to deliver comfortably. So in standard format, the SA1000 comes complete with a Euro hitch system, so that hooks up to your standard tractor front loader. It's also available to suit skid steers. So on this, the hydraulics are 2 circuits. One circuit, supplied with shorter lines, connects to your tractor front loader hydraulics, and your 2 longer lines come around the side of the tractor and plug into your rear remotes for higher flow to the cutting head. With the skid steer version of this attachment, you've got a 12-volt solenoid, which eliminates the need for a second hydraulic circuit, so you can run that on just 1 circuit for basic skid steers. So we're going to take a look at how you adjust the side shift on this. So you've got a little circlip here, pull that out, this pin's loose, and then this cutting arm will side shift up to 1 metre out from the machine. Once it's out like this, you've still got your hydraulic tilt, as that is all controlled in this unit here. And you just drop your pin back in and you're good to go. So one standout feature of the SA1000 is its ability to swivel the cutting head to the other side of the machine. So we'll quickly show how that's done. First things first, you need your arm fully extended. Take out your pin, and then you've got to tilt forward your loader and swing it to the other side of the side. So once you've got your front loader tilted, simply come to the end, pull on this handle, and swing your cutter head just all the way to the other side. And once that's there, tilt your head back up and relocate your pin. So once you've got your cutting head swiveled to the other side, there's a couple things that make that super useful to the operator. Your cutting head becomes highly visible to the operator because you don't have this shield in the way, so you can cut precisely close to the ground. And this arm is now pointing downwards, which allows you to cut down the outside edge of a hedge, so you can reach over obstacles and trim. As you can see, the perspective from the driver's side is great, with your arm fully extended out to the side. With your arm swung to this side of the tractor, the key advantage is that the cutter arm is pointing upwards, so you've got the best reach available, so you can cut high trees. Depending on the reach of your loader, you can get up to 4 metres of reach. So, one feature in the SA1000 is its spring breakaway, which protects your cutting head when you run into something that's immovable. So, this entire arm is spring loaded. So as you pull on this arm, it's got about 200mm of travel to save you from bending any key components if you hit something that can't be cut. Everything is extremely sturdy, very serviceable and simple, so you can trust this to be a reliable implement. So as you can see, we've just used this for about 1 hour in the Southern Highlands of New South Wales, testing this equipment for Australian conditions, and performed fantastically. All the teeth are intact, and that's the promise with Delta equipment. We source equipment from Europe to make sure it's going to suit your needs. Everything we sell is quality, top of the line.